Hello Mr. Wood, how are you? We start to make a small video for you with the connecting rod 9884220 and the connecting rod bearings 9883444. The bearings is here. The second number is 9886944. This is 050 like you asked from us. This is the second number, this is the first number. Okay, so we don't put like professionals with the oil and like need to be, but we only wanted to show you if the mesh is okay or not. So let's put together the connecting rod half cup, remove the balls, and let's make a bit small only. So, okay. Look. We need to put good. Show from here, please. Okay, we need to put good, but I don't want to make this without oil. Okay, so this is 050. Okay, the connecting rod pushing bearings is okay. Okay, like this. Okay, now you see. Okay, and this is 050. You see here. Understand? So let's try to put here also. Like this. Okay. Now I put to the center pin also. Okay, take this. And now we make the dimensions of hole. Is 90, I think, near 90. Maybe from here.